out all day. Yo, I'm having technical difficulties. What the fuck going on, man? Fishing with De Niro, man. Y'all see I got this shit packed down pack. I'm right here at Fairmount Park. You feel me? We about to go crazy, man. Tune the fuck in. We don't know what we catching today, but we gonna try to catch something, man. The light out. It's lunchtime, dinner time, everything time. So let's get these up over here. I'm with the homies. The homies right here, you feel me? We got Ramar in the cut, Nini right here. And we just gonna see what the fuck we can catch. Yo, what the fuck going on, man? You already know I got my best friend right here, Ramar in the cut, doing this damn thing. He just got a new line. I mean a new pole, so you already know we about to break that shit in today. I got some new shit from Walmart. You feel me?
Type vibes.
Type shit.
So what are you looking for today?
Right now, I'm honestly trying to catch my first bass. So the goal of today is y'all catching my first bass. Because I done caught catfish. Oh, look at that catfish I just caught, y'all. That one right there.
Whoa.
Hard. Very nice catfish.
My dumb ass thought you was talking about. I thought you was just...
Nah.
Hey, that's how you know I just be going along like...
When your best friend's supportive of everything you do, you don't even know what the fuck you doing.
I said, whoa.
But yeah, we right here, we using the reverb. You know what I'm saying?
I'm going for some carp fish today. I'm trying to take them out the lake.
8
Keep
pounds.
the lake safe and clean. Type vibes.
Yeah, the homie want a carp. We ain't got no pack bait though.
Oh, nah.
That's what they be eating, the pack bait. I'm gonna try this first.
I gotta get it together.
BJ Beats.
We gonna get us a bass today, gang.
I'm gonna throw mine out right now. Throw it for fish dinner.
Give me. Ooh, that motherfucker was up. Instead of far, guys. Don't try this at home. Don't try this at home. Oh, and I cut my hair, man. I don't know if y'all know this, but I cut my hair. You got what I mean? This is what we're using right now. Little fake worm. I got real worms too. Throwing it out a little bit. Little turtles. Hopefully they ain't taking the bait.
No, they eating that bread out through. That's that bread right there.
I already got bit up.
Oh, for real? I'm about to put some fucking chicken liver on this shit and throw that one of them bitches out too.
Chicken liver.
Yes, sir. Got ain't. Feel me? We got that good chicken liver and that little circle hook. Yeah, that shit look nasty, man. But that's what's gonna get them. They like nasty because they some nasty motherfuckers, but they taste good. You know what I'm saying? They like that nasty. You're just gonna get it on there the best you could. Like, y'all see how I just keep layering it? This is like a little fat chunky piece. I'm gonna try to throw that right there like that too. Just get it all on there. You want it to look like that. And, you know, dip it in that blood. It's that chicken liver, It's like some of the original catfish bait right there. Alright. We're gonna throw this chunky thing out. Alright. How's it going?
Fine. Sorry.
It's okay.
I'm gonna take this down. This motherfucker close as fuck to my face, but easy. Alright. We're gonna take this thing out. Right there, I know y'all see the sunset. Good vibes. I want to take it right here, right in between this little channel. I'm gonna call it a little channel. Now the only thing we gotta pray for is that this don't fall off the hook.
Yeah. It's a good throw.
That didn't go as far as I wanted to, but we're just gonna leave it there. I'm gonna go put the bell on it. And we're gonna let that sit this whole time I'm fishing, because we bass fishing today. But you know I love catfish. I ain't gonna eat these catfish because y'all see this water?
Can't even see it.
Can't even see it. We can't eat no catfish, man. That water no good. What am I doing? Oh.
You in the bell.
Got spray nothing?
Yes, I think it should be in my tackle box. Or if it's not, it's in that little the pulley wagon thing. The pulley wagon thing. But yeah, man, we got this shit sitting out. Every time I move, this shit move a little bit. I have never caught a catfish at this little lake or whatever this is, pond, whatever the fuck. I never caught one here. But every time I come, I try to catfish. We caught a bass here.
What are you doing right now?
Oh, I'm putting a bell on it, so when you see that, you see a little, you know what I'm saying? You know you got some motion in the ocean. We're just gonna leave that there. Yeah.
I'm behind the camera.
You know what I'm saying? You already know gang right here helping a nigga out. Man, y'all, my hair short as fuck.
The homie did the big chop.
You know what I'm saying? That shit crazy.
It looks smooth to me though, I ain't gonna lie. It just looks shorter.
Yeah.
Like your afro is lower or something.
Oh God,
Like,
hell yeah. I shortened my afro. Tight shit. Yo, what the fuck going on, man? Alright, man, so it's a little bit late. I think it's like, I can't even tell you the time it is. I don't got my phone or nothing, but you feel me? It's a little late. Y'all see the sun. Yo. It did?
We got to pull one off.
Unless I hit it or something.
This line got a worm on it, y'all. This is day one of trying to catch a bass, man. We gonna catch a bass the first day. We gonna see, man. We ain't having no luck. We having little taps and shit, but not nothing much at Fairmount Park. So, you feel me? Going around the IE seeing where the fuck I can catch a bass, man. Just touching my line a little bit. Yeah, so we gonna see if it what's going on right now. I'm back to square one. I done use so many different baits right now, but I had got a bite on this one, so we gonna see. I got a nibble. I'm saying I got a nibble because it ain't hooking. I ain't hooking. man. Day one. You trying to get one, man? I got all different type of poles out, different shit. Any bass fisherman, drop in the comments. What's your favorite bait or lure to use when you bass fishing? Thank you. Let's get this motherfucker out again. What the fuck? We're gonna try this again, guys. I'm too confident right there. Y'all, so many spiders and shit right here. We just gonna keep fuck all these fucking mosquitoes and shit, man. We just gonna keep throwing them out. You know what I'm saying? And hopefully we get a bite, man. If we get a fish on, y'all gonna know before I do. Aight. Come on, fishy, 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 fishy. Look, hey, look. So basically, man, we ain't catch shit. We ain't barely got any bites. We barely got anything, man. Fairmont Park. If y'all know the spots, man, put a nigga on. Like, let me know where the fuck y'all catching fish at. Cause I done came right here to this spot, thinking if you know that you know the docks is always supposed to be busting, but these docks ain't hitting, man. I done used every single bait in my tackle box. Chicken liver, worms, everything. Now we got everything all set up, man. You know what I'm saying? We got everything all packed up. And we about to get the fuck on. Go.